everybody, welcome back to another video. Only 4 cylinders, Joe's Junkyard, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it. So next step in Chaim's build, time to put the motor together. He's already downstairs here. The goal is to get the rings gapped, get the bottom end in, and get this thing together. So figured I'd see how far he got thus far, just kind of getting everything together, putting it where it belongs. What do you say there, feller? Getting it back on the stand.
Trying to.
Hear that? Yeah, we had to take it off the stand to do a different engine in the meantime. But here we are. So, get this thing together and show you where it's at. I'm just over here gapping rings, you know. What do you think? You enjoy it?
No. Not at all.
It's like tedious, you know?
It's very much tedious.
Just had to let them know what we were doing. Tedious, my friend. Oh yeah, I'll get the light ready. Oh, what did I do? Sorry guys, I'll fix my light. Alright, so what do we got here? My friend is a 19.
Mm-hmm. Barely.
Yeah, snug.
So,
just for check it, grab the 20 out of there. Checking that gap. See if the 20 fits. Seems real tight. Yeah, keep going. Couple more. We're gonna put the second ring to 21. He plans on letting some boost go in this thing, you know. Little loosey goose on the gap. Never hurt nobody.
yeah, like 25.
Gapped. He is getting the last piston set up with all the rings on it, and then we shall pull the crank and put the fresh bearings down there and start assembling the bottom end here. What do you say? You excited?
Very much so.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. Just a long, boring process, guys. Nothing spectacular, nothing fun. Just hard work. Men at work to keep their AC. Oh, that's great.
You'll still be here with the AC.
OB would say, "You're doing all this to just run it with a log." Okay.
If anybody's trying to donate me an AC friendly manifold, hit me up.
I'm
so serious.
We're on a budget here.
Very much so.
That's great. We will let you guys know once the crank is coming out. Looks like it's time to replace some bearings, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
They don't look that bad, though.
No, they look real good.
That's surprising.
I don't know what that mark is, but...
One of these dust washers. They don't look too bad, right? A little dirty, but... Interesting. I didn't look warm.
No, they look good. The front had a little mark on it, so I was a little concerned about right there.
Oil kind of, oil not black.
Probably better go the other way. There you go. Nice. Deassembled now.
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about.
Look how smooth everything looks, though.
That's the way it should be. Very nice. 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 That's what I'm talking about.
Our crank look.
Good.
That's good.
Anything out of the ordinary. But yeah. We're gonna get this thing all cleaned up and lubed up and fresh stuff in there. I'll set you guys up so you can see. Well, we're back. Chaim had to run out, get some parts. We were in need of a rear main seal because we didn't have one. And he went and picked up his oil pump and also had it ported by the man himself. I do not know his name. If you want to give him a shout out?
Quinn from NSI.
Dope. But yeah, so fancy shimmed and ported pump there. And fresh rear main seal looks good. Very nice. Nice. Looks legit, my friend. Not bad. So, yeah, we are gonna get the pistons on the rods, get bearings in, and get those bad boys in the block. And you guys will see it. You love to see it.
Love to see it.
Well, looks like you got all your rods together, my friend.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
It's dope. Very nice, nice. So yeah, we have an oil pump on there. Here's the pistons on all the rods. Time to flip this thing over and get them dropped into the holes, my friend. Finally got some pistons going in this thing. He's got one so far. He's got this one all lubed up. Got his compressor on. Get them rings nice and tight, you know. Nice. You love to see it.
No. We're smarter, not harder, dog.
Beautiful.
Like butter.
Alrighty, all torqued up. Back to an assembled block, my friend. Oil pan, and head. I mean, obviously the head, but the bottom end is done. That was the whole purpose of today. We accomplished it. Good stuff. So let's turn it over. Let's witness how it rotates. It's the most important step here. You get your little... That alternator gets me every time. Yeah.
This one?
Yep. That is it.
Waiting a minute, right?
Mm-hmm. The torque spec on that thing's like 120 foot-pounds.
Really?
Yeah, I seen that earlier.
All right.
Yeah. How's it feel? Beautiful?
I think so.
Looks good. I'm with it. Good to me.
Yeah?
Beautiful.
It's supposed to be a little snug, right?
Job well done, my friend. Job well done. Good stuff. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Video's done. Well, bottom end's done now. The video's done. It's getting there. But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys the process. Next, we'll be throwing the head on and all the other little good things, tranny, clutch, etc. And then going back in the car.
Yeah,
so keep you guys posted. Till then, take it easy.